Look at this trailer. It's not done yet, but it's coming along. There goes Miguel, setting up for Four Corners Rally. What are you doing, Miguel?
Firing on some lights, papas.
Getting ready for what?
Four Corners.
That's right.
The Ozarks, Smoky Mountains, hot bike tour. We're all over the fucking place.
Push this up there. This man right here always stays busy.
We don't stop, baby. We don't stop. Little beachy action. Liars. 112 don't make me feel good. I told you I know a little bit about a lot, not a lot about it. Not me. You know what? It'll go. It'll go, man. Shit, dog. Got something for you. Meow, meow.
I like it.
You know? The struggle's real.
It
You
is.
do one job, you go to the next. Tired. Love will tear us apart again. How was it, bro? Yeah, you sweaty, you nasty ass motherfucker. Peak game though, peak game. Shit, boy. Still got fit and finish, but it works.
That'll fucking do. It's perfect. It's perfect, buddy.
Sucks to be short.
What happened?
I dropped the screw.
Ay, way! Found it.
No fucking way, Mike. Dude, you're gonna do. Thank you, bro. Feel like a fucking whore in church right now.
Let me see. Dang.
Over this shit. Fucking bullshit. Moving Missouri.
fucking hot. I can't help it. I was born this way.
Sorry, I got all the licks, motherfucker.
It is full. Who is this guy?
Say it. I look at the beard and I'm like, fuck, that's one sexy for the sun.
That's wild.
Ready to move.
When you moving, Martin?
Probably when Miguel lets me. Someday I'm just not gonna come back. I'm gonna go and go visit like Wes and Tracy, and I'm just not gonna come home. I'll be like, dang, I'm gonna send for everything. Or I just don't move nothing. I get rid of everything and start over again.
Ghost everybody out.
Yeah. Even my friends. Ghost everybody and start over in life. I'm just kidding.